Hey, do you like mashed potatoes? Our family loves them. I always make extra for different dishes. I usually make potato cakes, which is a fried potato cake. Well, today I'm going to show you a different twist on that. Okay. I have leftover mashed potatoes. Guys, those are homemade chunky mashed potatoes, as I call them. Okay. I have cheese. That is a fiesta blend. You can use a cheddar. I've got some Parmesan, just out of your green box, guys. Some flour. Just a little bit of salt if you like. You don't have to use salt. That's all to your taste. Just a little sprinkle of garlic, again to your taste. And some pepper. Let's get our mess out of the way. And then we're going to mix all this up. Have you guys ever basically made a baked potato cake before? If you have, let me know in the comments. Did you like it? Do you prefer the fried? I like anything. I figured I'd just show you a different little cheesy version of it today. We just need to mix this long enough that the flour and the cheese are incorporated with the potatoes. I have my oven preheating. We're supposed to have it at 400 degrees. Guys, this is real life. I'm a real person with real mistakes. I didn't have my eggs sitting with the rest of the ingredients. That's why it's taken it a while to mix up. It needed a little bit more moisture. So, there's my egg. Now, I bet we're going to get there a whole lot quicker. I've got a question for you guys. Would you rather me cut out the bloopers whenever I do recipes, whenever I make the videos? Or would you want me to show you, hey, this is real life, I mess up? Tell me. Bloopers, yes. Bloopers, no. Some days I make them all day long, and then other days I can go a little bit and not make them. This definitely looks a little bit better than what it did a few minutes ago. Okay. You can do this in 2 mini muffin pans, or you can do it in a bigger pan. I prefer to do them in a small pan because they bake faster. We're just going to spray it with the non-stick spray. And we're just going to put it in there until we get to the top of it. Guys, you use your fingers whenever you're cooking in your own kitchen. I know I do. They were made well before other utensils, and they're clean. Let's go ahead and get these filled up, and we'll get them in the oven. And we're going to have us a very, very good and different side dish. Okay. These little mashed potato puffs, we're going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Look at that, oh my goodness. You can smell that Parmesan cheese really, really strong. It smells so good. And folks, in all honesty, this would probably come out better if I let it cool for a minute, but it's supper time and I'm in a hurry. Okay. So you can see it's crusty all the way around. It's a little brown on the top. And it's still soft in the middle. I will take a small bite because, guys, it's just come out of a very hot oven. That's excellent. That is definitely a different twist on doing a fried potato cake. You got to give this a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.